Why do so many iPhone users struggle to find one XBet on the App Store? It's not just you. Regional restrictions can be sneaky. Here's how to beat them and install the app fast. First, try the simplest route. Open your App Store, search 1xBet, and look for the official app by 1xCorp NV. Tap Get or the cloud icon, authenticate with your Apple ID, and let it install. Open it, log in, or register. Done. Can't find 1xBet in your country's App Store? No problem. Open Safari, head to 1xbet.com, and scroll to Mobile Applications. Tap the iOS logo. It'll send you straight to the App Store if it's available. Still locked out? You might need to change your App Store region. Just remember, switching regions can affect your subscriptions and payment methods, so do your homework first. Quick tips. Make sure your iPhone's running iOS 9 or later, you have enough storage, and a solid internet connection. And above all, bet responsibly. That's it. Enjoy and good luck.